Hey, Raccoon. You ready to run? You ready? You ready to run? Here I come. Hey, Raccoon, ready to run? Here I come. Did you eat all them stuff up right there? I put some stuff out there for you. I put some stuff out there for you. I put some stuff out there just for you. I put some of them cheese puffs and pecans, and you didn't eat any cheese puffs? You just eat the pecans? You ain't got to run off. Get back up on there. Come on. Come on, get up in there. You want some more pecans? He hadn't eat any of those cheese puff things. He eat the pecans. Did not eat the banana. Looked like he might be eating the grapes. He's eating the grapes. What they do with the grapes, the cheese puffs now. What they do with the grapes is they chew the grapes, they get all the juice and seeds out of the grapes, and they spit the shell out. He didn't like them cheese puffs that much. He wasn't impressed with them cheese puffs. He gonna eat them, but he wasn't impressed. Yeah, Raccoon, he wasn't impressed with them cheese puffs. He gonna eat them just because they're there. Not because they're that good. That looks like black mark. My eyes are just not seeing good. I'm having a hard time focusing in. I can see that raccoon, but it's more like a little small blur. That's a banana. He eat all the cheese puffs up. That raccoon, he eat them up because they was there. Not because they was good, just because they was there. That's the only reason he eat them up. I got about 5 pounds of grapes, maybe 10 pounds of grapes. That's the only thing I don't like about the grapes is the raccoons like that. He'll eat the grape, get the juice, and then he'll drop the shell on the ground. And ants love them shells. I have to pick every one of those up that he eats. Time daylight gets here, I'll have to come out here and clean all that mess up. Look around, see if I can find any food on the ground, grapes on the ground. Where you going? What are you doing? You just hanging around? You just hanging around? Can I come closer? I'm gonna walk right over here a little closer just to see. I was wanting to get closer to you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, cheese puff. Oh, that's old cheese puff right there. You gonna get up there on that? I put that board so they can walk up, and they got a picnic table here in the board. Give them something to do. Now they're gonna go over there and get in that tree right here now. Here I come. I'm gonna walk over here where you at. You go. Hey, is that a clown or is that a clown? See what he did? He was over there, went up that board, went on top of that table, over the fence, and right back down. Right, he went down here. All he had to do was walk right around the end of the fence. He started right there, and he ended up right there. Up the board on the picnic table, over the fence, down the tree. He was a clown. He was nervous of me, though. There he is right there. Come on. You a clown. Come on. I'm talking about you. Come on, get on out there. He wondered if you put any more of them pecans and the cheese puffs down there and something there. Now, why did you do all that? Why did you do that? See him eating them grapes, watching me eat it, and then he'll spit the shell out. Spit the shell out. Get the juice out of it. Spit the shell out. I had to pick every one of those shells he spits out. The hull, or whatever you want to call it. I got to pick all those up, put them in the trash. Yeah, my cousin's got a grapevine. He's got about 5 different types of grapes growing. Red ones, black ones, some of them sweet as cherry, scuffing irons. You got the pecan trees where I get pecans free. You good, Raccoon? Can I squat down right here? I'm gonna squat down. Come here, don't run off. Come here. You look like Black Mark to me, so that means there are old broke jaws around here somewhere, don't it? I don't know why the raccoons don't eat that whole grape, the shell and all, the hull and all. Yeah, my cousin got that one grape tastes like coffee a little bit. A little bit like coffee. What is it? His tail is faded. It looks like it's faded. Been in the washing machine too long. I hadn't seen these raccoons in about 2 days. Here comes 2 more raccoons. Let's see what they're gonna do. See if I'm gonna have to move. That one raccoon done see me. Come here. Don't come up here and start no fight. They must not get along. What is it? Listen. Why did they make that noise? They both scared of each other. They both run off. That one over in the background smelling the air. He's smelling that other raccoon. What's going on, raccoon? What y'all doing? Why are you doing all that squealing and howling squealing for? Huh? Why are you doing all that squealing for? Yeah, I wonder why they make that noise. Whining kind of noise, or I don't know what it sounds like. A puppy or something other. What you doing? You coming over here where I'm at? You wonder who I am? You wanted some more? You wanted some? You wanted pecans? I got pecans right here if you wanted pecans. I got some of these other things right here too. I'm gonna walk over there now and I'm gonna put these cheese puffs down. Can I come over there and put these cheese puffs down? Raccoon, can I come over there and put these cheese puffs down? That one sitting down. The other one gonna push him off the table. Come here, here. Come here. Come here. Right here, come here. Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Who are you? Come on. Yeah. I show him where the food comes from, and I hope that I hope you trust me more whenever I do that. Come here. Come on. Come on. Look at them. Both of those raccoons only about 1 foot from me right now. Come here. I'm moving real slow so y'all don't run off. Come here. Come on. I'm right here. That's as close as I ever been to these two raccoons. I'm only about 1 foot from them. Don't make a big mess. He's dragging them pecans off. Stop it, stop it, stop it. He just put a bunch of them on the ground. Come on. Come here. Come on. I can hear him hissing. Hear him moaning and groaning. He just drug all those Cheeto things, those cheese puffs over here, and the pecans over towards him. I'm only about 1 foot from that raccoon. And that raccoon on my left, he's keep dragging all the food over there to him. You ain't gonna eat that banana? You're not gonna eat that banana? Can you hear him? Yeah, huffing and puffing. The one on my left over there, he keeps, see, he's stealing all, he's dragging everything over there where he's at. That raccoon, he's dragging everything over there where he's at. That raccoon. See how you doing? He's dragging everything over there where he's at. That one on my left. Whenever he moves, look how much food he's got under him. There ain't no food over here. This one raccoon don't have any food left. And that other raccoon's got all the Cheetos, the pecans. He's got everything. That raccoon got everything over there. He didn't get nothing. He's still dragging everything over there to him. Y'all don't do that. Stop it. Stop it. I'm only about 1 foot from him there. It scared me for a second. What is it? I'm your friend now. Don't look at me like I'm something else. That raccoon on my left right there, he's just a hog. Stop it. Before I get on to you. What is it? Man, what a handful these two are. Y'all two are a handful. That one raccoon right there on the picnic table right here. I mean the breakfast table, he dragged all the food over there where he was at. That one raccoon there, he likes them grapes over there now. Come on. Come on, we better get up in there before the other one comes back up in here and makes a big old mess. Come on. Get on the breakfast table up there and do some damage. Get up there and do some damage control on that food. Here he comes again. Stop that hissing. I'm scared they're gonna bite me. That's the closest I ever been to these wild raccoons here. Normally they run off. That raccoon, he's right there. He don't know who you are. He don't know who you are. You ain't got no more pecans, do you? You ain't got no more pecans? Stop the moaning and groaning and hissing at each other. Man. Now they both try to eat out of the bowl. You're getting mighty close to me now. He got about 6 inches from me. He walked right there up on me. What is it? What is it? Let me take my glasses off. There, you ain't glasses off. What are you looking behind me for? You make me think the boogeyman's back there or something or other. Who are y'all two? I don't know who y'all are. What is it? What is it? They keep looking behind me. Black Spot's out there, but he's around front, I think. I think Black Spot's laying on the car. What is it? I got another bag of pecans in there. You may go get them? Y'all made a mess with them grapes. You may get you some more grapes? Yeah, I ate grapes until I was full the other day. Had them good, big, fat gold grapes. They were juicy gold. Sweet. What y'all deciding? What you decide? Now those two raccoons were something else. They were something else. I can't hardly see in that dark. Yeah, I had to come pick all these here up. See, they just get the juice out of it. All right. They eat a lot of food. I'm not sure who these two raccoons were, but they're two wild ones. Stop.